Do you feel guilty of wasting your time in mobile phones and you're unable to control it? Then just understand it's due to the secretion of dopamine hormone in the brain, which leads to this addiction. If you want to know what is dopamine, dopamine is a feel good hormone which is secreted in the brain when we tend to do the things which we love. This hormone creates a pleasure and a reward which makes us to repeat the things. Thus, we are addicted and we continue doing. If you ask what is a solution for this dopamine addiction, the best simplest solution is dopamine detox. Want to know more on this? Then watch my next YouTube video.